Hi, Room 27 friends. Today we are going to be learning about perimeter and area. So let's review. We know that rectangles have a lot of important attributes, but one of the most important attributes is that a rectangle has two sets of equal sides. So if I know the width and the length of one side, I'll be able to know the width and the length of another side. Based on what we just reviewed, let's take a look at this rectangle. I'm given the length of the top side and I'm given the width of the left side. I know that the top side is 9 centimeters, so I know that the bottom length is also 9 centimeters. I know that the left side is 4 centimeters, and I know that the right side width is also 4 centimeters. Perimeter is defined as the distance around the outside of a shape. And in order for us to find the perimeter, we need to add up all the side lengths because the sum of all those side lengths will give me the total perimeter. So let's find the perimeter for this rectangle. We know the side lengths, and we know that we need to add up all the sides to find the perimeter. So let's add up all those sides. I know that 9 plus 4 is 13. And if I add that other 9 on the bottom, that's going to give me 22. And if I add that 4 on the right side, that's going to give me 26 centimeters. Now, there are a couple other ways that we can do this that's a little bit more efficient for us, instead of having to add up all the sides. Now, I can do this a couple ways. If I know that my length is 9 centimeters, I can multiply my length by 2, and I can multiply my width by 2. So 9 times 2 is 18. 4 times 2 is 8. I'm going to add up those partial products because 18 plus 8 is 26. I can also add up my length and my width and multiply that by 2. So if 9 and 4 gives me 13, I know that 9 and 4 for the missing sides is also 13, and 13 times 2 is 26. All right, so moving on to area. The area of a shape is the amount of space inside a 2D or flat shape. So as opposed to the perimeter that's adding up all the sides and measuring the distance around, we're looking for the inside of the shape. How much space is on the inside of that rectangle? And in order for us to find the area, we're going to use a formula that multiplies the length times the width. So we're going to use the same rectangle, and we are given the length and the width here, and that's all we need to find the area. We just need the length times the width. So for this rectangle, we're going to multiply 9 times 4. And I know that 9 times 4 is 36. Now, since we're multiplying, we are going to have two sets of units. We have 9 centimeters times 4 centimeters. And so our units for area is going to be centimeters squared. So my area for this shape is 36 centimeters squared. All right, friends, I will see you in class. Go ahead and re-watch this video if you need to review any of the concepts, and have a great day. Bye.